Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Zkf token from Zkfair, the Zkfair community. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting very soon. We're going to go over the information on the Zkf token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So when you load up their webpage here, Zkfair.io, it says, please confirm and check the relevant notifications below. So they make sure that you are aware of these risks before confirming. Now it says 100% experimental project. Zkfair is the first Zk-Rollup on Ethereum based on Polygon, CDK, and Celestia DA. Zkfair team is only responsible for providing innovative technical solutions. Zkfair team is not responsible for the actions of the results or the results of Zkfair. So 100% community driven. Zkfair will be fully governed by the community after the end of the airdrop. It says 11 community governors will be voted by the community and will be fully responsible for all matters of Zkfair in the future. Zkfair team is not involved in the management of Zkfair and does not participate in any marketing and BD activities. Also, 100% funding risk. Zkfair has the potential to succeed or fail. You may lose 100% of your money on Zkfair due to the technical bugs, hacking, or any potential problems. Please make sure you can take and handle all these risks. And lastly, 100% fair launch. No investors, no reservations, no pre-mining. 100% Zkf tokens will be airdropped to the community after the mainnet launch, and there will be no future assurance of Zkf tokens. So you have to check off boxes on each one of those before you can even enter the website and click on I am aware of these risks and confirm entry. So just be aware of all that. Then you can open up their Explorer. You can open up Documents, Governance section, Airdrop, Bridge, Fair Inscriptions, Ecosystem, Campaigns. So they have 2 audits. So they were audited by ScaleBit and Secure3. You could check out those there. So it says community owned L2, 100% fair launch, the first community Zk-Rollup based on Polygon CDK and Celestia DA, 100% token airdrop, no reserve, no pre-mining, no investors, it's all community. Claim your Zkf, and then it says 100% Zkf tokens will be airdropped to community. Claim your 0.1 mainnet USDC for free, and then there's a button to do that. And then, yeah, if you want to find more info, click on the document section. That will take you to docs.zkfair.io. Now, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing coming soon. So first of all, if you go to their Etherscan, it says their max total supply is 10 billion tokens. It's an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, 18 decimal places, and it says 1 holder, so it's not really available anywhere as of yet to any holders. It only says 1 holder so far. But I was looking on Twitter, and Bitrue, it says, at Bitrue official, it says, new listing Zkf will be coming to Bitrue spot trading. It says, deposits opened, trading will open when deposits meets liquidity requirements. And yeah, then it has a link to Zkf's community's Twitter, which I'm going to put up right here at Zkf community. And yeah, and then it says Zkfair, the ZKF token coming soon to Bitrue. So if you do want to get this token in the future, when it gets listed, when it goes live, it will be available on Bitrue. And if you don't have a Bitrue account, I do have a Bitrue referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Bitrue referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search ZKF, and then simply just buy the token. But you'll have to wait till it goes live. You can always follow their Twitter right here at ZKF Community and Bitrue's Twitter at Bitrue Official, and they will announce most likely when the listing date is very soon. As you can see on their Twitter right here, they have a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. It's a brand new project that just joined in December 2023 and already has 58,500 Twitter followers. Gold verified, checkmark, 238 posts. But yeah, if you go to their document section on their webpage, the Zkfair docs, you can find basically all the info I just said about Polygon, CDK, Celestia, DA. So it says, in today's Ethereum ecosystem, Zk-Rollup tech is gaining traction as a vital solution for scalability enhancement and reducing transaction costs. However, the majority of Zk-Rollup projects share a common issue: unfairness. These projects, despite not issuing tokens, lucratively profit from users' transaction fees. Users engage frequently on these platforms, paying substantial gas fees for each transaction, yet receiving no substantial commitment to reciprocal rewards. Furthermore, these Zk-Rollup projects are entirely controlled by centralized teams, leaving the community unable to partake in operations and governance, thus denying regular users their rightful benefits. Hence, there's an urgent need for a new kind of Zk-Rollup project, one entirely driven by the community, centered on principles and fairness and transparency, while delivering returns to users and enabling decentralized governance. This project may give users substantial returns while honestly acknowledging potential risks. Enter Zkfair. Zkfair aims to be the Zk-Rollup platform brimming with fairness and innovation, returning rightful benefits to the users and reshaping the fairness and community involvement with the entire Zk-Rollup ecosystem. On their document section, you can find tutorials, developers, how-to start guides, all that type of stuff. You can go over their economic model, USDC as the gas token, atomic rollup communication, decentralized prover network. First is Zk-Rollup based on Polygon, CDK, and Celestia. They go over governance, huge governance section, and then technical references as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? I would definitely review their 2 audits as well by ScaleBit and Secure3 on their webpage, zkfair.io. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out all the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.